you can see the pumpkins.
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 Welcome to Highway 30. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Amy, and we're here to help you get creative.
That was a good here.
Thanks.
Yeah, you're welcome. So today we're crafting with Craft Kit 1031.
What could that be? It's Halloween.
It's Halloween. Digging a little deeper into fall.
Yes, we're going on to Halloween. And for our craft kit today, we're going to use these recycled bamboo boards that we have. I have quite a few of these.
These are awesome. They're just the perfect palette. You can sand them, you can paint them, you can stain them.
And we're going to make a sign. So
she's so shocked that we're going to make a sign. She lost her words. So we have a couple of different layers that we're gonna do here. We're gonna make these, little stencil. We're gonna make these really cool. So we're excited to get started.
All right, let's go.
Let's go.
This is the first time that I've tried the Dollar Tree vinyl as a stencil, and I won't ever do it again. It's okay for small projects or temporary things, but it just doesn't work very well as a stencil. It's very thin and hard to apply. It doesn't stick as well as the contact paper does. So from here on out, I'm going to stick to using the contact paper, the best option in my opinion.
He's like, where am I supposed to be? He looks concerned.
He does look confused. We took his beanbag away.
It's just too much to handle today.
Can't handle
all of the.
Poor buddy.
Look, he's looking for it.
I know, he doesn't know where his beanbag is. Sorry.
Yeah. I mean, the whole ground is your dog bed, so it's carpet.
You can handle it. Painty time.
Paint away.
It got bright in here.
It did.
Let's start with the edge.
Okay.
Start on the edge. I'm guessing we'll have to do 2 coats of the white.
Yeah, I can already tell.
To cover up the bamboo. Don't really want that to show for this. But I might go ahead and skip painting the back of it. I'm gonna be crazy.
Oh yeah?
What do you think? Should we paint the back? Okay, we'll paint the back. That's the goal, is to just make sure to see how much white paint you can get on your hands.
The edges make sure of that.
Yeah.
That you get good paint on your hands. We probably don't need to paint the back.
Just the front it is. First coat's always gonna look really messy, but when you put a second coat of this paint on,
I'm already wanting to touch up, but I'll wait.
it'll look great.
For dry?
Let's try.
Okay.
Magic. The challenge here is painting with white paint while you're wearing black t-shirts.
Yeah, right? What are we thinking? We're doing pretty good. I really like this black t-shirt, so.
I know. Be very careful. All right, so we're gonna start with the spider web stencil, and the web is gonna go in the lower right-hand corner.
Yep.
Before we paint the web black, we're gonna just go over it with a really light coat of the white to help prevent bleeding. So we'll have really sharp lines. Almost like you're gluing in the edges. Now we'll take the ink and... Oh. What did I do that for?
You got the white one.
It's okay. We can be messy.
I have the paper towel.
So now, the pouncing or spouncing will be good to also help have clean lines. All right.
Are you peeling?
Let's peel it away. So satisfying.
Nice.
All right, now for the second stencil, this one, it'll be really easy. You can just line it up with the top. And then, unless you've waited a whole long time, you might not want to press it down too much over your spider web. Yeah. Do that at the bottom if you want. And you can see your spider web underneath, so maybe not be so aggressive at the bottom. All right, now we're gonna go over the second stencil with our gray. If you want to leave the spider, you can make him black at the end.
They're very spooky.
Yeah, they look really, really spooky right now.
They're mystical.
Yes. Time for the magic.
Okay.
Let's do it. Ta-da!
Ta-da! Ta-doo!
It's a sign.
It is a sign. It's a cute sign.
Yes, spooky sign.
It's a spooky sign. I love these.
Yeah, this was
So,
cute and it was fun. There's several different steps to it and I enjoyed it.
Yeah, I love the layered look of the paint.
things to say. I really enjoyed crafting this one with you today, and
I enjoyed crafting this one with you too.
What do we say about it?
So these could, I'm trying to decide where it's gonna go, like lean in a bookcase. You could use a little, what are the little stands? Little lean-to stands for this and just set it somewhere.
Simple, cute, spooky, and we're done.
Season done! It's officially official.
Now we're not done with our Halloween crafts for this month, so make sure to come back next week and subscribe so you don't forget, and we'll have something else spooky for you.
Yep, and this kit will be on our Etsy site, so you can look for the link to that below.
All right, thanks for stopping by.
Thanks, till next time.
Till next time.
And 10:31, and I'm starting, and my name is Sarah. Okay, good job, thanks.
You are Sarah.
Yeah, every day. One of us is usually like, no, that was good. The other one's like, it's good.